Bitter melon, also known as bitter gourd or Momordica charantia, has been a subject of interest in the health community, especially regarding its potential benefits for people with diabetes. This unique vegetable, recognizable by its warty exterior and distinctive bitter taste, is a staple in many Asian cuisines and has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. Its growing popularity in the Western world is largely due to emerging research on its potential therapeutic effects, particularly for managing blood sugar levels. But before we continue, if you appreciate all the information and the research that goes into making a video like this, it does help out tremendously if you hit the like button and hit subscribe. Thank you, and let's begin. Diabetes is a chronic condition characterized by elevated blood sugar levels due to the body's inability to produce or effectively use insulin. Managing these levels is crucial for preventing long-term complications associated with diabetes. In recent years, there has been a surge in interest in natural remedies and dietary approaches to manage diabetes, with bitter melon standing out as a promising candidate. The potential benefits of bitter melon for diabetes management are rooted in its rich nutritional profile. It is low in calories but high in fiber, vitamins, such as vitamin C and vitamin A, and minerals, like potassium and zinc. The key interest, however, lies in its unique compounds that have been shown to have blood sugar-lowering effects. One of these compounds is charantin, which has been found to have a blood glucose-lowering effect. Charantin is believed to increase glucose uptake and glycogen synthesis in the liver, muscle, and adipose tissue, thus reducing blood glucose levels. Another compound, polypeptide P, functions similarly to insulin and has been shown to lower blood sugar levels in animal studies. Moreover, bitter melon contains vicine, a compound that can act as an insulin-like molecule. It also has antioxidants that can help reduce oxidative stress, a common problem in people with diabetes. Oxidative stress is linked to many of the complications associated with diabetes, such as cardiovascular disease, kidney damage, and nerve damage. Several scientific studies have investigated the impact of bitter melon on blood sugar control. A study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that consuming bitter melon significantly reduced blood glucose levels in people with type 2 diabetes. Another study in the Nutrition and Diabetes Journal reported that bitter melon extract improved glycemic control and could be beneficial as a dietary supplement for patients with mild forms of type 2 diabetes. Despite these promising findings, it's important to approach the use of bitter melon with some caution. The effectiveness of bitter melon can vary depending on the individual, the form in which it's consumed, such as raw, juiced, or cooked, and the part of the plant used. The dosage also plays a critical role. There is no universally recommended dosage for bitter melon, and excessive consumption can lead to abdominal pain and diarrhea. Additionally, while bitter melon can be beneficial for blood sugar control, it should not be used as a replacement for prescribed diabetes medication. People with diabetes who are interested in using bitter melon should do so under the guidance of a healthcare professional to ensure it's safe and appropriate for their specific situation. For those looking to include bitter melon in their diet, there are various ways to prepare it. In many Asian cuisines, bitter melon is stir-fried, stuffed, or used in curries. It can also be consumed as a juice or tea. However, as the name suggests, bitter melon is quite bitter, which might not be palatable for everyone. Some cooking methods, like blanching it in water before cooking, can help reduce its bitterness. It's also worth noting that bitter melon's effects extend beyond blood sugar control. Its high fiber content makes it excellent for digestive health, and its array of vitamins and minerals contribute to overall nutritional well-being. Bitter melon also has properties that may support weight management, which is beneficial as obesity is a significant risk factor for type 2 diabetes. The role of diet in managing diabetes cannot be overstated. A balanced diet that includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats is crucial. Bitter melon can be a part of this diet, offering both nutritional benefits and potential blood sugar regulation. The exploration of bitter melon's role in diabetes management has also highlighted several intriguing aspects of its interaction with the body's glucose regulation mechanisms. For instance, studies have pointed out that bitter melon may enhance the activity of enzymes that help in metabolizing glucose. This means that it could potentially improve how the body uses sugar, and thus lower blood sugar levels. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that compounds in bitter melon improved glucose uptake and metabolism in the body, which is a positive sign for those looking to manage diabetes symptoms. Furthermore, bitter melon's impact on insulin resistance, a key factor in type 2 diabetes, is another area of interest. Insulin resistance occurs when the body's cells do not respond properly to insulin, leading to elevated blood sugar levels. Bitter melon may help improve cellular sensitivity to insulin, thus aiding in more effective blood sugar regulation. Research in the International Journal of Environmental Research and Public Health has suggested that the natural compounds found in bitter melon can play a role in reducing insulin resistance, which is pivotal for people with type 2 diabetes or those at risk. Another important consideration is the holistic approach to diabetes management. While diet plays a crucial role, it's always part of a larger picture that includes lifestyle changes. Regular physical activity, adequate sleep, stress management, and maintaining a healthy weight are all critical components of effective diabetes management. Bitter melon can be a part of this holistic approach, providing additional support through its potential blood sugar lowering effects. The safety profile of bitter melon is generally good, but like any supplement or dietary change, it should be approached with caution, especially for those with existing health conditions or who are on medication. For instance, since bitter melon can lower blood sugar levels, there's a risk of hypoglycemia, or low blood sugar, if it's taken in conjunction with diabetes medication. It's vital for anyone considering adding bitter melon to their diabetes management plan to consult with a healthcare professional to avoid adverse interactions and ensure safe use. Moreover, the cultural significance of bitter melon in various cuisines around the world underscores its acceptability and versatility as a dietary component. In many cultures, especially in parts of Asia and Africa, bitter melon has been used not just as a food, but also traditionally for medicinal purposes. This long history of use adds a layer of trust and familiarity, making it a more appealing option for people looking to natural remedies to support their health. Overall, the research into bitter melon and its effects on diabetes is a promising area of study, offering hope for a natural adjunct treatment option that is accessible and has multiple health benefits. However, it's essential to remember that managing diabetes effectively requires a multifaceted approach, and bitter melon should be considered as one component of a broader, comprehensive diabetes care plan. In conclusion, while the research on bitter melon and diabetes is promising, it is still emerging. Bitter melon could potentially serve as a supplementary natural treatment for blood sugar control when used appropriately. However, it should be incorporated into a comprehensive diabetes management plan that includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, and any prescribed medications. As with any dietary supplement or major dietary change, individuals with diabetes should consult with their healthcare provider to determine the best approach for their specific health needs. This collaborative approach ensures that all aspects of diabetes management are addressed safely and effectively.